up, my viewers? If you're wondering, what are we doing? Mom, tell them.
We are making birdhouses.
Hi,
Tell them, Mom.
I'm painting a stone for my birdhouse.
Yeah, check out our TikTok and Instagram.
My TikTok is Emily1, and my Instagram is Emily Nesters.
Me too, but not Emily Nesters. It's Kellen Nesters for Instagram and Kellen1. So, Mom, tell them, why are we painting birdhouses?
Well, we were looking for an activity,
And we need one for our new house.
and we need we're getting a new house, so we thought we
Yeah,
would
we're also
make-
gonna get chickens.
Yeah, I think we're gonna get some.
Bark.
Maybe.
Yeah, maybe.
I think your sister's scared of them, so she don't want to.
I'm not scared of them. I don't want to get kicked out for having them.
And as you see, as my mom is painting this back, tell them what kind of paint are you using?
We're using acrylic paint.
And with acrylic paint, you don't need water.
That's right. It's not
Only watercolors, like at school.
Mm-hmm.
Watercolors are like those palettes that you put water in.
You use them
Yeah,
with
so
water and candy.
we're doing different kind of paint, and this is all the paint we have. I'm gonna just show you a few colors like blue,
And pink.
yeah, and pink. And this one that I don't know why it's covered in another paint. And bright red. It's bright red. Now, as you see, my sides are like multiple colors, so I will take you on a tour. So first, we have the tiny bird hole from the Tiny Birds. It says WWE on top because, you know, I'm a big wrestling geek. And then it says K for Kellen. Yeah, that's good. And then the top is blue, and then the black is the back. And then there's red right here.
I would recommend
Putting a lot.
And
rinsing out that. big
yeah,
brush
right
and
here.
using with your brother.
Let's show them the bottom.
No.
I can't really touch the bottom right now.
Can I touch this?
No, it's not dry.
This?
What? Huh?
Well, the bottom's just black.
It's just black.
Yeah, this is black, guys, but
Yeah, let's not touch it.
yeah, it's just black. So you can imagine. So if you want to do this, like you can do it with your family.
Oh no, I got on my phone case, Mom.
And this is what that was for the birdhouses. See, it's really good, and it has like a bunch of things that will make me get splinters. Do not step on wood that has some wood pieces sticking out. You could get splinters.
Okay. I'm gonna show mine now.
Yeah.
It's me, Emily, obviously.
Taking a camera.
So
It's camera go.
here, okay, so here's the front of it. There's a little bird hole right there, yeah. Then I put some black there, so there's shade, and then I did some dark blue on the sides, and on the other one. Gosh, the camera's slipping. Okay. And then on this side I did some yellow. If you can see my hand, it's right there. Then on this, I'm working on the pink to put it right there and there. I already have some on there. I'm going to do a couple coats on that. And then I don't have anything on this side yet. Neither the bottom or this or that one. So that's my birdhouse. Why are you painting on my stone? It's only supposed to be pink.
Anyways, this is the stone. Hold on, turn the camera.
Look what he was doing. He was painting.
There was a stone, and I was painting on it with this kind of paintbrush.
Where's stone?
Here.
Since Kellen.
Stone!
Made out of a stone kit for painting.
Oh yeah, I remember. It's for my stone kit that I got.
Yeah, it was one of our videos that was never uploaded.
Well, it's just I didn't get it onto the channel yet. And I still
So, you get to see me painting a rock. So, oh, oopsie.
Can I join?
Yeah. And hold on, just.
Spread it around. I don't know what I'm gonna
Okay, guys, this is me, and we're gonna paint a rock today.
do. Yay.
Pet rocks.
Me too. Couple.
Yeah.
Ooh, shit. We could make a pet rock.
Ooh, pet rocks.
I'm gonna put mine on the birdhouse.
I'm gonna have mine with like lime tree green ice.
I don't want this color.
Excuse me, guys, as I get this paintbrush.
Get it. Well, that one's dirty.
Now, just get one of
That one's dirty too. That's super black.
this one.
That one's. But you should just use it. I'll just use this. That one's way too dirty. Do this.
Oh,
Go do this one.
oh, okay.
Okay, wipe it down on this.
make sure to always use a paper towel when you are trying to use colors, or else it will get color mixed. That means the colors will mix. So
I'm painting mine. The skin color on it is white. Ooh, so what should I make it? I'm gonna paint it first for the coat white.
I'm just gonna make the eyes here. This is what my paintbrush
Just
looks.
give me my hand. Just give me my hand.
That's what my paintbrush looks like. And then boop, and boop. I'm just gonna watch this down. Hey guys, I'm over here. This is one of my biggest videos ever.
The longest ones.
Yeah. Okay, so I think it's done. So now I just do.
I didn't mean to paint the bottom, but there was already paint on the bottom. So. Get some paint.
And then next for the inside, I'm using marsh green. You gotta tell that this green is actually good. So
You don't dip it into there like that.
So remember, use the right amount of brush. So you see my pet rock looks like this.
Mine looks like this right now. Move your hand. Mine's like this right now.
So I'm going to add some pupils, but
What are you doing?
remember to use the right brush. Because if you don't use the right brush, it'll mess up. So you use a small brush if you're going to use pupils. This is my hun. Just got to leave it like that. So he looks like. Sorry, guys. The other one's right there. Sorry, guys. The camera fell. Okay, so next I'm gonna do a little smile. Because pet rocks always have smiles, right? Okay, so we are gonna use a different color than green. We're gonna use too blue, which represents its blueness. That means it's too much blue. Okay, so cap and then chip. And then
Coco, talk to them too.
oh, sorry guys. My rock looks like
Oh, look,
this.
I put home on it.
Cool. Yeah, so we're gonna let our stone dry, and then put this in here. So I'll show you around. Oh, gonna show you my arm looks like that. Okay, so this is my mom. Painting this ironer.
Staining it, yeah.
Yeah. And that's my cat TT.
Maggie, be nice.
GG. Anyways, this is like our neighborhood. And look at my mom's car.
It needs to be washed.
Yeah. No. Look at that
Hi,
board.
Dario.
Look at that detail. Hello. Oh. And then here's the flowers. And then some bushes. And then a tree. This tree is weird. Look at the tree. And that's good. Okay, so let's see. Let's go. Oh, yeah. So here's this. So there's the roses. Roses. And that's a cart. I'm zooming in on stuff because I really like that feature. Okay, so there's this frog thing and I don't know why it's here. And then a gun. GD, don't run. This is my garage. Sorry. Yeah, it's fine. This is wrong. Oh, like anything. And yeah, so soon we are going to move to a new neighborhood called Nevaeh. Which, fun fact, it's actually heaven spelled backwards. Seriously. So yeah, this is what my sister did in the front. Also, she has a phone. I used to have a phone, but I got tired of it, so yeah.
Well,
Yeah, mostly. My mom gave me this iPad for Christmas. Wait a minute. There's one white spot. Weird.
sorry.
Guys, let's go on a cam called the Speed Cam. Speed Cam is basically me. My easy roller. Yeah, I'm just gonna do this. So this is okay. So I just gotta know like this kind of view isn't like that's like close. So this is our Speed Cam. This is where I pick up stuff. And this is our fence. And if you heard that barking, that's our dog. And oh no, car! Whoa, I'm spiraling out of control. Yeah, this is our neighbor's house. That's cool. And what is that? That was a car. Can't know that. But you know. Here's our local stop sign. We use it every time when we are ready for the bus. The next one signal is all saying, stop. So yeah, let's head back. You know. There's some grass. You're wondering why this thing is very bouncy. It's because of this. So you're wondering why you're wearing jeans. Well, I'm glad you asked. I couldn't find any shorts today, so I just wear my jeans. My jeans! Jeans! It's really leather. My toe. Oh no! That's my shit! Yes! Awesome! It's like binoculars!
Put your toes up when we crash.
Oh!
Did that scare you? Oh, can I hold the iPad? Please. My hands aren't dirty. Well, they're pink, but it's dried up paint. Can I please hold it?
Okay. Camera girl.
Here's Cal.
Ah!
Then
Let's head back.
we're gonna head to the back stairs. This video is already 13 minutes long. You guys can see me now. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna show you my TikTok and my Instagram. So I have two Instagrams. One is my friend. So the first one, this one we made yesterday. It's like this one is cute backgrounds.
We play Roblox.
Where we like put backgrounds on it. It's called Q_backgrounds. Well, look at my other. And then here's this one. I don't know I'm gonna post on it. Oh God, this picture on it. That's all I'm doing. Okay, now we're gonna go into TikTok.
Hi, mommy.
Okay, this is my TikTok. I have 109 followers on here. And then
I only have one, and that's her.
700, no, you have 2. And then I have 771 likes in total. Then I have like a lot of videos. But, yeah. This is my TikTok.
So we'll have 4 followers.
Cool, right? Yeah, cool. Okay. And then,
Only 2 more people to follow me.
then I have Snapchat.
Dad, and
Sorry, not Snapchat.
can I have my camera back?
Like I have Snapchat, but it's like really not. Coco, please, can I have more minutes? Okay, so I get more minutes now.
You guys are being chased.
Helen's right there. I'm not gonna get away with this now. I'm gonna go back up that way. Look at the pretty flowers. So pretty. Okay, in a second, we're gonna go back towards Maggie. I ran into a snake. Okay. That's all out of the way. So now it's all over. That's my house. Oh, no. I cannot go to jail. I cannot go to jail. Not today. Not today. I'm a pro at this, so we're gonna get up that. I'm taking over this channel.
No!
I also have another YouTube channel. I just haven't posted because it's a new one. Okay, let's go say hi to Maggie. Okay, Maggie is in the fence. There. Yeah, my hands are really dirty. I have to wash them. You know, wash them. Okay, now I need to turn. Sure. Kelly, you better move. You better move. I'll throw your iPad if you don't move over.